Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. Well, it's finally time to get on the horizontal boring mill. If you guys watched the video in July of me bringing it in and kind of doing a walk around on it, you'll remember that it needs a few repairs. So that's what this video series is going to be about. We're going to be tearing into it, cleaning it up, finding what issues need to be fixed. I already know a couple of them. You know, the main lead screw is extremely worn, so that has to be replaced. It's extremely dirty. I don't think the lever to lock in the power feed for the platen is working, so I have to investigate that. And while we got it, you know, torn down, we might as well go ahead and get all that old paint and grime and grunge off of it and clean it up and get it a nice paint job. So that's what it's going to be about. Not sure how many videos this will entail, how long it'll go for, and then of course if another project comes in the door like a paint one, then obviously this will be put on the back burner and we'll get that knocked out. So not sure how the videos will roll. You know, they might not just be, you know, one after another on the boring mill. It may be broken up a little bit, so we'll just see how it goes. So I'll grab the camera, follow along, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm excited, man, you know, because I haven't been able to use it. So this is going to be, you know, an awesome repair, and it'd be nice to have a nice, good-looking machine back there. So, woohoo!
Because I'm skipping that much? I think so.
See if you can come in just a hair. There she goes.
Straight up?
I believe so.
Yeah. Cycle 3.
Yep, we're free.
You're welcome.
My idea work.
Hold on so I can walk her out. You got it?
Okay, wait it.
Down a little bit.
Down.
Now out.
Swing a little bit.
I didn't think trying to sneak back in there.
Wait it.
You're good.
Go up with it a little bit.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, back it up.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and swing around.
Yep.
Let me get this other plug.
We can get those rods out now. Come down.
Can you pull them out? Hold on.
Yep.
Okay, grab that rod. It's ready to come out.
Arrgh.
With this one,
Is it got a-
we're going to have to bump it out.
Okay.
Come on my way, Tom. Once you sit down,
No, this board is stuck.
yeah, once you sit down, we can worry about this rod.
Alright, you're going to have to do it higher. A 4x4 is not going to be enough.
What are you missing over there, Brad?
I got to straddle this bar.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Just watch your fingers.
I think I'm good like if I do something like that.
I need one more like that. Give me that one.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, Tom.
Down?
Yeah. A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop right there for 1 second. Okay, come down. One down. You're out.
Hang on, Brad. Once we get that rod out, I want to turn her over and put the top on the bottom.
I agree.
Okay.
I agree. I didn't know if you wanted to unhook the bottom too and tip it or.
Yeah, I have to do a couple, but, so she should just drive out, right?
Well,
I think she's just dirty.
it's tight.
Yeah, you want to send her to me?
Yeah, let's trust her.
Let's see, I hope it doesn't have to come out the other way, but it would make sense.
I think it's just dried.
Check out.
It ain't moving.
Rotate her while you do that. Maybe she'll.
Has it got a gear? It's turning. It's geared. It's got some sort of gear because it's turning
It's
this.
got a keyway in it, and that key is driving that gear.
Yeah, so it's geared somehow.
But it's got to come.
Yeah, it's got to come out.
Yeah.
That is no this ain't much about that. Oh.
I don't know if it's just jammed up with gunk.
Because that's got to slide no matter what.
Yeah.
Something to do with like gearbox or there's like a donut on the end of this thing.
I mean, it made it this far.
You wanna-
I mean, I
you wanna-
just give more ass.
Yeah, let's try a little bit something bigger.
But it's geared.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Yeah, but I mean, it's still.
There she went, dude.
Oh, there she is.
Holy crap.
That's what was stopping us.
Oh.
Oh, that chunk of goo-goo.
I'll help you. Hold on.
No, there's more burrs. She just stopped.
Alright, I'll tap it. Yeah. What's your... Let's use the
4x4 underneath.
You know.
right there.
She came out. At least orange. How long of a
Seems like 2
punch do you have?
Oh, I got a long one, yeah.
I can get the center of this shaft and we can
Tap her.
get the smaller.
You don't take much. Well, lightly tap it.
Okay, let me double check them on there. Okay, try it again. He's out.
Yeah, them birds would have held us up if we had cleaned it.
Yeah, still got a few.
Look at that behemoth. There's your workout bar. Yeah.
Want the stove?
No, that's okay.
me catch you up on yesterday's progress. We got her pretty much torn down. Brad decided to get on the needle scaler, and me and Michael went to cleaning all the grime and gunk out of it. A lot of gunk and grime. I don't know, can you pick that up? A little bit of the original scrape in there. But that's about it, so I don't know if the camera will pick it up right about here to here, how shiny it is right there and right there on the ways. You know, that sweet spot where you do 90% of your work. So don't have a straight edge to go from like here to skip it, and then we'll see how bad it is. It's got some good scratches in it. The unfortunate thing is, the reason why, there's the underside of the saddle. Get a little bit of light here. So yeah, look at that oil groove. It is just packed with crap. You can see, because I started just picking it out to see how bad it was. So even if it got oil, it couldn't get spread, but the problem was, wasn't even getting oil, because those are the oil holes underneath. There's you know, Getz cup oilers, but these are just, they were packed. So even if you put oil in the Getz oiler, it wouldn't have gotten through. I mean, just slam packed full of stuff. So that's not good. It's been running dry for who knows how long. This lead screw doesn't look bad, so that's a plus. But you know, the lead screw over here, that's the one we got to replace. Maybe you can see it here a little bit better. I mean, just razor sharp right there, where all that work has been done over the years in that location, because it should be that thick right here. You know, same thing down there. Here is the tailstock broken down. Curious if this bearing ever got any oil, because it looks like there should have been a probably a Getz oiler right there, you know, a 90-degree elbow one. So, but you know, this probably didn't see a lot of use. So get all the paint off, get everything cleaned up, and then obviously we got to address getting a ball screw. And I may want to take the, I don't know, the saddle off of the table, break it down one more. Not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it could probably use a good cleaning. Probably couldn't hurt since we're in this stage anyways. Did find it cool. If you guys can see that. So that is a brass scale. That's pretty cool. And there is another one over here on the vertical head. You guys see that? So that's pretty neat. And then also on the badges, looks like the screws are brass also in there and there. And then on this one here, and on this plaque. So, a couple neat finds. I'll just keep bringing you guys updates or film anything that looks interesting. I think I have decided on the color, so I went to Tractor Supply and get it in the light. We are going to be Ford Blue. That's a pretty good color. I've already got a blue milling machine and I got a blue bandsaw, so it'll fit right in. I didn't want another gray machine, and you know, this is good tractor and implement enamel, so it should be pretty durable. You know, my choices were obviously the tractor colors, so I didn't want John Deere green, Massey Ferguson red, Kubota orange. What else have they got? What's yellow? Cub or something? I don't know. So anyways, I figured that would be the best color for it. So we are going to go Ford blue with, I guess, white highlights. So that should look pretty good. Just working on getting all the badges and plates off here. I think what I'm going to do is just clean them up, but I don't want to shine them up, you know. I don't want to polish them with some brass polish and have this thing like, you know, blare and shiny. I think the patina looks really good on it. You know, it speaks volumes of the age of the machine and what it's been doing its whole life, and how many people have run it and touched it and read this. So I think that's going to be the game plan. Just been trying to get these screws off because they've probably never been removed in its lifetime, and they're full of gunk. There, that one's going. So, of course, they're slotted, so makes things a little more difficult. Got to get the gunk out of it. And they had one win the battle. So I was using these special screwdrivers. These are like used a lot in gunsmithing. Because if you see, the blade is not tapered. So you can get in there and get that screw, and the screwdriver doesn't want to pull out, you know, and you damage the screw. Well, that's what I was using, and well, it didn't win. Wonder if I can get a replacement here. If they're actually made in the USA, Forster. Alright, well, I'll continue to work on these. Don't want to bore you. Working on getting this last tag out, but it's got little, if you guys can see that, drive screws, drive rivets. So you don't have a slot. Gets you a set of these. Get in frame here so you can see that. Call them vampire pliers. See the end? I think they're made by VIM. Yeah, Vampire Tools Inc. VTI. They're made in Japan. I guess they help to get in the frame, don't you? Anyway, so you can get on the end here, grab that drive screw or rivet, get on that head, and you can pull that rascal out just like that. How nice is that? Otherwise, you're going to have to grind it, or grind the slot, try to get a screwdriver on it right. Of course, the last one wants to fight me. As long as you can get a grip on it, it'll come. There we are. All right, sweet. Just like that, easy breezy. Figured I'd share that with you guys. Oh, I think somebody's ready to play. What you got, Chaos? You got your toy? So I've been kind of napping on Daddy's been working. So I just been hanging out on my bed. Right, you good boy. Yes, you are. Everybody on YouTube loves Mr. Chaos. So yeah.